Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. In the kitchen here today, as you can see, got a couple items I want to show you. I got a grease strainer. A lot of times, yeah, we're unhealthy, we're backwoodsy, whatever. But we do deep fried food sometimes. Fish, chicken, things like that. Um, just like Mommy used to do. Anyway, what do you do with the oil or bacon grease or whatever it may be afterwards? Well, I got this funnel and a strainer here, and stainless steel funnel, and it's a reusable, cleanable filter. I did get a second one just in case to have on hand, but this is a pretty slick system here. I've got some oil that I used. I fried some pergies last night, and I'm not going to save this oil, but I wanted to use it to demonstrate. So let's just go ahead and get this pour on here. And the oil goes through it kind of slowly, so that shows it's going to filter good. Okay. Now I can take my skillet to the sink. You can see did a real nice job of cleaning up the oil. And there's the crunchies left in it. Okay, now I'm going to take this over to the sink so we can wash it and show you the other step here. This is another item that actually that looks good enough to use, but I'm not going to. Let's pull one of these out. This comes with 25 disposable oil bags. Okay. Open like so. And they're made to, sorry about that noise. They're made to fit right down in the bottom here. And they don't move around once they're in there. It's a good solid fit. And simply pour it down in there. And then you can pull that up, give it a little one of those dudes, and fold these tabs over, and that's gonna hold it in place inside there. You know what? What's it take to make it leak? Nothing come out. Anyway, that's a good little setup. And then this lid closes securely on there. Kind of clicks in place. And that can be set right there, maybe, or wherever you would want yours. Nice little setup. So we got the grease bags and box and the funnel and filters. So it's a good little addition to our kitchen. I think you guys would probably enjoy it too if you use oil the way we do. Thank you. Bye now.